become involved, and now you're CEO. How does a Litvische Rosh Hashiva, the biggest Rosh Hashiva in the world, with a Litvische staff, take a Hasidische in German from Monsi? How does this
It's
work?
a very good question, and it's probably my most common question that I get. How does get a Hasidic Shigeman that barely speaks English and being so involved in the Shir? It's my most common question that I get.
Auf Jiddisch wollte ich gesagt, wieso treffst du dich den Platz bechlall du?
Is if it, and I'll tell you what, and I'll tell you even more. When I started, there were very few Hasidim doing this Shir. Very few. They didn't feel they fit in the box. They have to, and we are very used to be in a box in the Hasidic.
And no, the herring with the toyameo.
Exactly, you have to fit in.
I'm
going to be in a Shabbos spending with a person that doesn't eat my gefilte fish and my salmon fish.
It's not fit,
Doesn't fit in.